In this first lecture, I will try to explain what the NFTs are as clearly as possible so that you are comfortable and can follow along during the course. The NFTs are non-fungible tokens that represent a digital piece of art. It could be just a JPEG, a short GIF, or a video, any digital piece of art. It could be an NBA top shot. For example, LeBron James' highlight was sold for $200,000. At the time of recording this video, the record is $69 million for Beeple's collage called Every Day is the First 5,000 Days. Isn't that incredible? And this was a unique token or non-fungible token. For example, if I buy one Bitcoin and I sell it and I buy another one, no matter at what price, I will still have one Bitcoin because it is a fungible token. While the NFTs are non-fungible tokens, it means that each one is unique and can be replicated. The ownership and the transactions are recorded on the blockchain, and it is impossible to create a second NFT that is 100% the same as the original one. It could be similar, so similar that we cannot even notice the difference, but it can't be the same. And you might be wondering, who is buying these digital arts? Why would someone pay millions for a JPEG? Well, if we were back in 2015, when the Bitcoin was at $200, $300 and someone tells you investors will pay $50,000 for a Bitcoin, you wouldn't have believed it, right? That's the world we live in, and sometimes unbelievable things happen around us. Now let me show you a few different NFTs so you will understand what they are. One of the most popular at the moment are the CryptoPunk NFTs, and only 10,000 are available in total, and 2 of them were sold for $7.6 million. Another one that you have probably seen is the Neon Cat that was sold for $590,000. And there is a whole story behind that cat, starting back in 2011 when the cat was number 5 on YouTube with most views. The third one I am going to show you is the Genesis, which was sold for $608,000. Also, the first tweet was sold as NFT for $2.9 million from Jack Dorsey. Now you may be wondering, why am I watching this video? I do not have so much money to spend for digital arts, and even if I had, I wouldn't do that. And I agree with you, I honestly think the same. But there are much cheaper ones, starting at a few $100s, and I will show you the easiest way and from where you can purchase NFT, as well as the most user-friendly NFT platform that we have currently.